Hello everyone, welcome to elliotwaveforecast.com YouTube channel. Today is January 23rd and the chart of the day for today is the S&P 500 cash SPX 60 minutes time frame here. And we are seeing SPX breaks to new all-time high, right? And again, a break to new all-time high suggests that the move higher has to be an impulse, cannot be a correction. And an impulsive structure cannot end in three ways as a general rule, right? So you can see from the last significant low here, we only have a three ways up in the shorter cycle. So what we can conclude here is that we should be at minimum extending one more leg higher after the pullback, after the short-term pullback. So my focus is purely on the shorter cycle here. I'm not going to discuss about the long-term count, right? But the idea here that I want to present is we break the new all-time high and we cannot end in three waves, the entire structure, right? And therefore, at minimum expectation, we should be looking for more upside. Now, after that, after we can see a clear 5 ways up from here, then we should be either ending one and to address pullback and higher, or ending something bigger. Let's say if it ends 5 here, then of course we might be seeing a bigger pullback, but that's not really the focus. The focus is really the shorter cycle at this stage, which should not be ending only in three waves unless it is doing a flat. But even a flat is not really looking good because it extends already quite too much above the previous three here, right? So the only way I can see we don't see another leg up at minimum is if it is doing a flat, but the chance of a flat, of course, is not really that high. And again, you should not assume a flat when things are breaking the previous peak or breaking below the previous low. So again, I think pretty good chance we should be at minimum looking to see a pullback and then extends higher again. Now the pullback should always be corrective because we are extending higher. So when we do finally see a pullback of wave 4 in this cycle, I mean in this same degree here, it should be in three waves or in 7 swing because that's the corrective structure. And it should be somewhere between 23.6 38.2 usually for a wave 4, right? But with 3 depends whether we extend higher or we finish with 3 here. That is beside the point. The point is that if there is any pullback, we should be extending higher one more time to finish with 5 to finish a 5 ways up from here. Okay, so that's the idea. We continue to like more upside, we continue to like the long side, we don't like selling obviously, and pullback should find support in 3 swing or in 7 swing. Now if you want to get more updates on the shorter cycle or you want to see in the longer term count, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. We will also run a seminar, a paid seminar. If you look at our website, there is a seminar on the February 9 and February 10, right, which is next month. And so this is a 6 to 8 hour seminar. It's a paid seminar, but you will learn everything you need to know to master the Elliott Wave if you are interested. Now we don't run seminar very often, right? Live seminar like this. So check it out if you want to get more ideas on what we cover and so on if you are interested. Okay. Now otherwise, going back here to the chart of the day, then basically it's very simple. We should be extending higher one more leg, and any pullback, if it happens, should continue to find support in the shorter cycle until you at least see a 5 ways up from this low here from the 46.81. All right. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.